Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I went through some of my footage from the past couple of months and I realized that it was mostly basically me buying stuff. So instead of having my usual vlog from the past couple of months, we're going as a haul today. Hope you guys don't mind. Hi! So, I decided to do some shopping therapy. I thought maybe I want to show you guys. Here is the boy. Okay. First thing, I went to the post office and I thought. Okay, as you can see, I'm having error 404, so this is gonna happen a lot during this video as my head goes faster than my mouth can speak. So sorry about that, but yeah, let's continue. I thought that it was the Amazon package that I was gonna get, but then I was like, when they handed me the package, I was like, wait, this is soft. I didn't order a plushie this time. I do order those a lot. So I was a little bit confused. So when I got home, I was so happy because it's the makeshift order that I made a couple of months back. And it just arrived. And it is so cute. I already showed it, but I wanted to show you the packaging because the packaging is always so cute. I love that they are like putting effort on that. But look at it. Oh god, it is so cute. It is adorable. Look at that. That is amazing. That is cute. It's the... Oh no, I can't show you. I'm gonna take a footage so you can see. But it's the official makeshift product. It's a collab with the Ferdinand frog plush. Only 821 made. So I'm a lucky girl. This is gonna be on my setup. It's gonna look so cute. So, I got myself an electric pen sharpener. I don't know how I've managed to survive until this day without one, but I finally got one. It seems to be pretty good. It was cheap. So I've been trying it a couple of times now. You do need to hold it in place because otherwise it will start twirling around. But it does do the job and I want to do more graphic pencil stuff. So I think this will come handy on that. That one. Then I don't know if others have this, but I'm a sweet tooth person. When I'm working, I always need something to snack on. And usually it's some kind of chocolate or candy or pastry or something like that. So I got this brilliant idea that why don't I put myself like a box that is full of lollipops so I can eat those while I'm working. So I got this jumbo one from Amazon and it has all the flavors like strawberry. These are all in German because I'm from Finland, so the closest Amazon we have is in Germany. So everything's in German. So I'm just guessing the flavors. Yeah. I'm gonna make a really cute like a packaging at my, well, like a jar and put these there. And I never did. If you don't know, I have an obsession with lights. I like to put different kind of mood lights all over our apartment. And I found this, the cutest thing ever. I haven't opened it yet. So it's a toast. It's a fucking toast. Oh god, it's even better than I thought. Oh. Look at it. It also has a timer for 15 minutes, so you can use it on your work desk to time yourself. This is coming to my setup. It's so cute. Why didn't I open these beforehand? Because I have nails, so this is hard. Well, they all came down for me, but I have 3 keyboards, and I like to customize them for every season. So I was thinking for spring that I decided to get new keycaps, and I'm gonna do my Ducky Mini. Is it Mini? Ducky 2 Mini, I think, is the name of the keyboard I have. I'm gonna put these like retro color ones on that, and I think I'm gonna use that for the springtime. That looks so cute. And then this one, well, kind of self-explanatory. It's a mic stand. When I'm streaming, I need to when I'm streaming, it's kind of hassle with the mic because I have a Razer Mini one, and it sits on the table. So I just get a mic stand for it, so it's easier to like move around when I'm streaming. So these are everything I got. Not too much, but a lot of cute stuff. And good morning. This is very old footage from April back then. I was doing some planning, and out of nowhere I decided that I'm not gonna wait. I want to put the keycaps in use. So now you're getting this very aesthetic feeling keycap removal and putting the new ones in place. Hope you like it. I'm one of those people who really enjoy like decorating my space, especially my work area, because I don't know if you guys have this, but for me, if the area is pretty cozy, aesthetic, you know, I feel way more motivated to actually do my job. So I like to put all the figurines, the lamps, everything there. And I know for some it might seem a little bit cluttered, but for me all of those little things bring me so much joy to my day. And changing it up every once in a while, it just adds up to it, you know. So because having something new and shiny, of course it makes you feel good. So I couldn't wait to put these new keycaps on, because I had been craving for these for multiple months, and God, they're so satisfying. I have plenty of different sets, but this one has to go to the top one. Yeah, I think it's top one. Guess what came in the mail? Onko se sun? It is! Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, that is just stunning. I already have, like, here on top, I have so many art books. I collect them. So this is adding one pretty one to the mix. Using my teeth to get the thing off. Yeah. Oh, that is just gorgeous. You guys might already know this, but Heikla is one of my biggest inspiration, like, artists that I follow. So I was so happy to have this book. It just fired me up, like, totally, for it, getting back into sketching. But yeah, thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much. I hope you have a lovely day. See you again. Bye.